All you need are 2 cotton swabs to remove dirt that may have been hiding inside your washing machine for years. Check the areas most people completely forget about. Your washing machine may look clean on the outside, but dirt often builds up inside. Hair, grime, detergent residue, and other debris collect in the filter, detergent drawer, and rubber door seal. Start with the most important area, the washing machine filter. Place a tray or towel underneath it, as trapped water may drain out when you unscrew the filter. Remove it and thoroughly clean the compartment. Spray it with glass cleaner, then scrub it with an old toothbrush. Rinse the filter itself under running water, pour a little vinegar over it, and use the toothbrush to remove any remaining dirt. Next, clean the detergent drawer. Remove it from the washing machine and rinse it under running water, using a toothbrush to reach every corner and crevice. Pour a little vinegar over the drawer to help loosen detergent and fabric softener residue, then scrub it thoroughly again. Spray the inside of the drawer compartment with glass cleaner and scrub it with the toothbrush to remove built-up grime. Now move on to the washing machine drum. You'll need those 2 cotton swabs in a moment. Spray the inside of the drum with glass cleaner and wipe the entire surface with a soft cloth. Next, clean the washing machine door. Spray the glass with glass cleaner and wipe it thoroughly on both sides. Finally, place a damp wipe over the 2 cotton swabs and use them to clean the narrow gaps between the drum and the rubber seal, where hair, dirt, and detergent residue often collect. Wipe the entire rubber seal with a damp cloth to remove any remaining grime. Pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drum and add vinegar to the fabric softener compartment. Then select a delicate cycle and start the washing machine to freshen the inside, remove unpleasant odors, and wash away any remaining residue. After this, your washing machine will look and feel like new. Does your washing machine smell like mildew? That's because of sludge stuck in the seals and internal parts. There's a simple trick for this. For years, I've kept dishwasher tablets with my laundry supplies. Their cleaning power works perfectly for routine washing machine maintenance. I toss 2 tablets into the drum, set the program to 104 degrees Fahrenheit with the shortest cycle, and start it. The tablets dissolve during the wash and clean the entire inside of the machine, including the seals. No scrubbing needed. After this, the washer smells fresh. The sludge gets rinsed away and there's less limescale buildup. Even plumbers recommend this trick. Instead of fabric softener, put this in the washing machine. A hotelier once showed me this trick. Too much detergent and fabric softener make towels rough and less absorbent. This one ingredient will change that. Load only towels into the washing machine. Add a handful of baking soda, which softens fibers while eliminating odors and bacteria. Now it's time for rice. Blend 2 tablespoons of rice into a fine powder. Add 3 ounces of water and let the mixture sit for several hours or overnight. After that, strain the liquid to remove any grain residues. Now pour 1 cup of rice water into the drum. Add regular laundry detergent to the detergent compartment and vinegar to the fabric softener compartment. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Set the wash to 100 or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the machine starts dispensing detergent, pour in the remaining rice water. Your towels will come out incredibly soft, fresh and fragrant, without using chemical store-bought softeners. Try it. Put toothpaste on a lemon and toss it into the drum. The result will surprise you. Few people regularly clean their washing machine, often putting it off. Unfortunately, this habit is a bad one. Washing machines collect a lot of dirt, but these simple ingredients will keep yours in perfect condition. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive cleaners. Cut a lemon in half and spread toothpaste on each piece. Both lemon and toothpaste have antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Drop the prepared lemon halves into the washing machine. Next, lift the rubber seal around the drum and sprinkle some baking soda inside. Then, pour vinegar over it. Finally, run a short wash cycle. And that's it. Once the cycle is done, remove the lemon, and your washing machine will be as good as new. This method ensures a disinfected and refreshed interior while also removing limescale and preventing future buildup. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly. Take a foam pool noodle and measure it against the length of your washing machine. Then grab a sharp knife and cut off the extra piece. Slide it into the gap between the machine and the wall. No more missing socks and no more dust collecting there. Quick, effective, and no drilling needed. Your socks will finally stay in pairs. Pour a cup into the washing machine and you'll be shocked at what happens. You'll end up using this trick more often than you think. Your laundry has never been this nice. Towels will be fluffy and soft like new. Prepare your laundry as usual by putting it in the drum. Next, pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent drawer. You don't need to add any other liquid. Just run the wash on your usual program. When it's finished, add baking soda, specifically 50 grams, to the same drawer. Then run the wash cycle again. Once it's done, take out your laundry and dry it. You'll feel how fluffy and soft it is. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. It's a simple and eco-friendly solution. Just vinegar and a bit of baking soda. Try it yourself. Toss it in the washing machine, and dirt and limescale will disappear. Your washer will be clean, and your laundry will always smell fresh. But before you focus on the drum, it's essential to take care of other key parts. Regular cleaning is crucial for fresh laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Start with the washing machine door. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay special attention to the seals where detergent residue, hair, and dust tend to accumulate. Next, tackle the detergent drawer. Never skip this spot. Pull it out, break a cleaning tablet into each compartment, pour in some vinegar, and scrub it all with a brush. Vinegar has antibacterial and disinfecting properties and helps dissolve dried-on deposits. Now, onto the washing machine drum. Toss in 2 cleaning tablets. These aren't expensive, specialized products. These simple tablets for cleaning dentures contain soda and citric acid, effectively removing limescale, greasy deposits, and bacteria. Set the program as usual. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will thank you with fresh, fragrant laundry and trouble-free operation.